Today I'm going to be making a prawn and cheese pasta sauce. So let's get started.
So first boil your pasta. I'm using homemade pasta, but use whatever you like. In the saucepan, melt your butter and add in your flour. Cook on a low heat until it becomes a paste. Add in your milk and bring it to a simmer until it starts to thicken. And add in your cheese, salt and pepper. Then add in your pre-cooked pasta and stir until it's fully coated. Time to make the prawn. First add in your flour and your rice flour, salt and pepper to taste. And now add in your water a little bit by little bit. Once you finish making the batter, add in your prawns and then fry them until they are golden brown.
And that's it. It was super simple and it's really yummy. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to put any requests you have in the comments. See you next time!